Now you're finished, and here's a few top tips.
Kira and Amory did a great job, but sometimes it's just not that easy. For example, sometimes people like to bite on brushes. If this happens, you can do something called the toothbrush technique. Can you see how Amory is biting down on the brush? Well, if you have a second brush handy, you can use this as a mouth prop and put it in between the back teeth. Then, when the person bites on the brush, the mouth is propped open, allowing you to use a second brush on the other side. As soon as she lets go on the brush, you can take it out and keep going.